Good day, everyone. I am Ankise M. Casine. Today, I will be discussing memory management in the simplest way possible. This topic explains how a computer manages and uses memory, especially RAM. When I say in simple ways possible, it means I will explain the topic in very easy and basic way. Even you're not familiar with computers will be understand it. I want the lesson to be easy and follow to everyone. What is memory? Memory is the place in computer where it stores information and programs so it can use them quickly. RAM is for things the computer is using right now, and ROM is important instructions that stay in the computer. Example, imagine your RAM is like your study table. Everything you need at moment your notebook, pen or book is on the table. But when the table becomes full, you cannot add more items unless you remove something. What is memory management? Memory management is a part of the operating system that controls and organizes the computer's memory. It manages which program gets memory, how much memory it gets, where the memory is placed, and what happens when memory is full. Example, when you open Mobile Legends or Chrome, the OS give them a space in RAM. When I close the app, the OS remove that data to free space. What is memory allocation? Memory allocation is the process where the operating system (OS) assign a portion of computer's memory to a program or process so it can be run. When a program starts, the OS give it memory allocation. When the program ends, the OS takes that memory back the allocation. Example, when you open a game after using a browser, the OS adjusts memory so both can work smoothly without slowing down. Techniques of memory management. Three basic way the OS manage memory. First, using virtual memory. Second, paging. Third, segmentation. So first, using virtual memory. So what is a virtual memory? Virtual memory is when the OS using the hard drive to give extra space when the RAM is full. It helps program keep running even the computer doesn't have enough RAM. It works well but is slower than normal memory. Example, memory is like your desk for your programs. When the desk RAM is full, the OS removes some things to hard drive. Program can still run but is slower. This is how the OS manage memory using virtual memory. So second is paging. Paging breaks memory into small equal pieces called pages. Programs are also split into pages, so they can store anywhere in the memory. This helps the OS using memory better. Example, take of memory like a set of small boxes. The OS can put parts of program in any box, not all together. This way, the OS can fit more programs in memory without wasting space. Paging helps the OS avoid empty gaps in memory and makes easy to run multiple programs at once. So the last one is segmentation. Segmentation divides memory based on the program's logical parts like code, like data, and stack. So the last part is why memory management is important because it prevents program from crashing. It keeps the computer fast, it allows multicasting, it protects one program from affecting another. Without memory management, computers would freeze, often the apps would interfere with each other. So, example, thanks to memory management, you can play games while music play in the background.